Well, the weather can make beef prices rise because of how much work it takes to care for cows in the bitter cold and snow. Mallory Messner joins us live now with the livestock at Bummer Farms in Greenwood Township, Perry County. Good afternoon to you, Mallory.
Good afternoon to you, James. I am probably the coldest one out here right now because the cows are used to this weather. I am at Brummer's Farms where they have 103 cows, and taking care of them this time of year, especially when we have all of this snow and the bitter cold temperatures, creates more work. So far this calving season, there have been 44 calves born, including in the snowstorm on Sunday. The farm owner, Pete Brummer, says the cows have to be constantly checked on to see if one is about to give birth or to see if any new cows have been born. The babies have to immediately be brought inside in the heat to warm up.
3 born on Sunday. As long as the ones that come in the barn, they're pretty good. The ones that would happen to moms go out of the barnyard and drop them in the snow, they get a little bit cold. So with the cold temperatures and the wind, we have to get them inside and warmed up. And once they're warmed up and we get the mom in a calving pen or a maternity pen, they're back with their mom and they do fine.
Brummer expects at least 50 more calves to be born this season between now and March. He also has sheep and pigs here too, James. We will show you how those animals are impacted by these cold conditions tonight at 5:30.
Mallory, you talked about how the baby cows need to be brought in immediately and get warm. What about those cows behind you? Are they just fine to stay out here in this bitter cold temperatures?
Yes, James, he said that these cows behind me, they might go into the trees, but they're mostly fine. If it gets windy, then they do start to seek shelter, but they're used to this climate. They're used to these temperatures. They just need to be well fed to maintain their body heat and to stay healthy. That's the big key here when it gets this cold, is making sure all of the livestock is fed so that they can maintain themselves through this winter.
And it does look like it's lunchtime for them. All right, Mallory Messner live for us there in Perry County. Thank you so much for that this afternoon.
Hi, I'm Eric Finkenbinder from ABC 27. We're excited to announce the new ABC 27 News Plus app. Live stream newscasts or watch content on demand. This is different than the ABC 27 app on your smartphone. You can check this out at home and it's very easy to use. With a Fire Stick, go to the home page, scroll down to search. From there, enter ABC 27. Move over to the apps and there we are. Click the icon and install. It's just that easy.